Have all your floor and countertop protection with you, as well as your tools. Be sure to measure the space, including the height and width. If you have a 34-inch height and 24-inch width, any dishwasher will fit. Remove the kick plate and check under the existing dishwasher with a flashlight. Disconnect the drain and cover the hose exit using a paper towel so water doesn't spill out. Also, make sure it's loose in the cabinet, which makes it easier to pull out. Turn off the water valve and begin to disconnect slowly in case the valve does not work properly. Once the valve is turned off, assuming it's working properly, disconnect the water. Turn off the power at the fuse box, then disconnect the electric from the dishwasher. Pull out the dishwasher using masonite on the floor along with metal slides on the floor and counter. Pull the dishwasher legs up to allow more space, then pull onto the masonite. Tie all the drains with water to the top of the existing dishwasher with a zip tie. Make sure the power is still off at the fuse box and check the wire with an electric tester. Install the outlet and secure it under the sink. Check the area to make sure there aren't any obstructions. Also, check and make sure you have a solid area on the top or sides of the cavity to attach the dishwasher to. Install the dishwasher 90 and water line. Then drain using the green clamp, being sure to throw away the red. Install an electric cord using the proper connector and wire nuts. Screw the ground down with the green screw and reinstall the cover. Have all three components going out of the back and bottom of the dishwasher and place on the masonite. Push in the dishwasher and at the same time pull in the hoses under the sink. Remember to make sure the insulation is going in and the counter protection is in place. Connect the water and turn the valve on. Tighten the packing nut. Then connect the drain and tie a high loop, making sure to leave all the cords neatly out of the way in the back. Make sure you do not plug in the electric yet. Now, level the dishwasher, adjusting the back legs first by hand. For the front legs, use your level and have spacing even on the sides and top. Check the top to be sure it's level to the counter. Now, secure the dishwasher using the screws provided by the manufacturer, as they will be the correct length. Lastly, plug in the power, test the unit, and install the kick plate.